I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the environment. Check your Outlook version and Windows display scaling so you know where the problem originates. Once done, open a test email and note how body and subject fonts appear. This tells you if the issue is app-specific or system-wide. Make sure to close all other programs that can alter text rendering, then relaunch Outlook so recent settings apply. This gets you straight into fixing font settings with accurate context and avoids chasing the wrong cause. You will now change Outlook's internal font controls so messages render consistently. First, set default fonts for new, reply, and plain text messages in File right arrow Options, right arrow Mail, right arrow Stationery, and Fonts. Choose size and type. Next, adjust message zoom inside the reading pane and enable Remember My Preference to keep scaling stable. Then inspect View right arrow View, settings right arrow Conditional Formatting for any rules forcing a different font. Once done, you finish by handling system-level causes that override Outlook. Clear the Windows font cache to remove corrupted metrics. Once done, restart the font cache service and then Outlook. If fonts persistently display wrong sizes, run Office Quick Repair and try Online Repair if Quick Repair fails. Make sure to test Outlook in safe mode or with a new Windows user profile to isolate add-ins or profile corruption. This often reveals the true culprit. If problems continue, keep note of exact font names and scaling to guide deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.